And new information in this morning's fiery crash on Route 202 in Holyoke. You can see this car was completely engulfed in flames. Holyoke Police Lieutenant Michael McCoy told 22 News a 20-year-old Westfield woman was driving that car when it crashed into a utility pole, took down some wires, then rolled over and burst into flames. Now, luckily, the woman was able to get out of that car before it caught fire. Lieutenant McCoy said she was taken to the hospital but only suffered scratches on her leg. A section of 202 was closed near McLean Reservoir this morning. Lieutenant McCoy said firefighters had to wait about 45 minutes until the power was shut off before they could put out that fire.